Hey guys, I'm gonna be doing a unboxing on this Viair 88P portable compressor. I bought it for some new off-roading adventures I'm gonna start getting into. So let's just see what comes in the package. So it looks like it's got this nice little carrying case. It's got everything inside. It looks like there might be just like a owner's manual instructions type thing, but it's pretty straightforward. We're gonna be trying this on my truck. I put the front driver's side tire down to about 19 psi, usually about where we have them when we go hit the trails with some of my friends. So let's go try this out outside and let's see what it does. Or first, let's check out the inside. See what comes in the package. Looks like we got the compressor. Got a nice little carrying case. I'm not gonna lie, this is pretty nice. Very nice little carrying case. But looks like we got the Viair compressor. It's a pretty nice little heavy-duty little compressor. It's not too heavy. It's got a nice longer hose. Screw-on style for the valve stem. I don't know if I like that too much, but we'll give it a shot, see how that goes. And then it looks like we got pretty good sized cable for the alligator clips for the battery. One thing is for sure, you have to have your vehicle on the whole time while you're going to be using this compressor, because it draws too much amperage, so it will drain out your battery if you do not. So definitely have your truck or car or whatever you're using it on while you run this bad boy, because it's a lot heavier duty than like a smaller, cheaper one like you get like at Walmart or Target or something like that. This is something that's more for like off-road. It's up to a 33-inch tire. That's what I'm going to be running it on. So we're at 19 psi, and we're gonna be doing a test to see how fast the 88P does brings it back to 35 psi. So we're starting at 0. I'm gonna start it. So right around 30 psi, around 28 or so. Almost 30, you can kind of see the 30 right there. So we only got 5 more psi to go. Alright guys, we're at 229 right now. Let's check it right now so you can see real time where it's at. There you go. Right at 35 psi. 2 minutes, 29 seconds. Pretty impressive. Not bad for a little unit like that. Very compact, easy to use. I would highly recommend it.